guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing this beautiful face, hi, you're welcome. My name is Tiana Ntese and you are welcome to the channel. So on today's video, going by the title, you already know what we are going to be talking about. Okay, so we are going to make 2024 our best year yet. I'm on this journey and I'm sure you want to make this year a beautiful and abundant year for you. Okay, so without further ado, let us get right into the video. So guys, one thing that I know for sure is that a lot can change in a year. One of the ways that you can improve your life and nail your goals is through discipline and self-respect. I've been able to define discipline as you doing the things that you naturally do not like to do at that moment, but because of the positive impact it's going to have on your life, you push or force yourself to do those things. Okay, and what is self-respect? I have defined self-respect as you respecting yourself enough to want to fulfill and achieve your goals. Of course, if you do not love yourself, if you do not have some respect for yourself, you will treat your goals like trash. This year, one of the things you're going to be doing is to respect yourself to be able to achieve those goals that you have written down. With that being said, the first on the list is write down your goals. I know writing down your goals, it's everywhere on every social media platform. I know that it has been overemphasized, but this is my channel, so I am going to say that to your ears again. Write down your goals. Writing down your goals is one step towards achieving your goals. That's the first step. Hence, the Bible emphasized that we should write our vision and make it plain. So you see, if it wasn't important, the Bible wouldn't have talked about it. That is to show you how important writing down your goals can be. This time, you're not going to be writing random things. You're going to be writing down realistic goals, things that you know for sure that you can achieve them. I know that it is okay for you to write things that do not look achievable, but if you're someone that has never achieved the things you have written down, maybe during the beginning of the year like this, then I'll advise that you stick to realistic goals. The reason is because if you're able to crush this goal, it will level up your confidence. Okay, so you're going to be writing down these goals in order of priority. So your goal do not have to be a long list. It could be as simple as 5 things that are very important to you. So let us say that you are in uni. It could just be that you want to hit a particular CGPA. Whatever it is, ensure that it is something that is realistic. If you write something that is realistic, you will see that achieving those goals are going to be easy for you. And next thing that you're going to be doing this year is to start building small wins. You guys, I know that the only time that we tend to celebrate is when we have achieved something big. That shouldn't be the trend for 2024. Aside that, there is something that winning does to the mind. I remember when I started my YouTube channel, I joined YouTube 2017, but I started posting content just last year. December, just last year. Yeah, so please do not be like me. If you want to start a YouTube channel, please right after this video, if that is part of your goals, do not snooze on that goal. Go ahead and start it immediately. The first content that I posted was a YouTube short, and that was just me testing the waters. I wasn't even sure of what I wanted my channel to be about. Okay, I just posted that short, and then by the next day I woke up to 2 subscribers, and I'm like, how on earth did that even happen? Come on, I didn't even post anything. It was just a short. So I felt like people are already waiting to hear what I want to say. That was exactly what I felt in my mind. And then the next day, I got my phone and I started to film. It kind of motivated me to want to, start immediately. So that is what winning does. I just felt like I won. I just felt like I did something, and it did a lot to my mindset. And even think twice, I just started my channel. So learn to celebrate your small wins. Learn to celebrate it. Do not look down on your small wins. By the time you pile up this list little wins from here, from there, you add them together. By the time the year is over, you will discover that you did a lot. So in 2024, one of the things that you should concentrate on is what works, and that leads me to the next point, which is master what works. There is nothing, I mean absolutely nothing, that is new on this planet. Nothing at all. Whatever you want to do today, someone already did it in the past, someone is currently doing it, and someone is going to be doing it tomorrow. Whether it is business, marriage, finance, weight loss, whatever it is, people have gone down that road. Basically what we have is just recycling, reinventing, rebranding. That is what we have on this planet. So this year, ease yourself of some pressure, especially mental stress, and your body, soul, and spirit will thank you for it. What you're going to be doing this year is mastering what works. Look for exactly what works. If you want to go into business, look for people that have already succeeded in that niche that you want to focus on, and learn from them. Get their tips on how they are doing it. If it requires you paying for their mentorship program, go ahead and pay for it. It will help your journey. It will help you get to your destination faster. I do not mean you should learn from people that are using illegal means to achieve prosperity. That is not even prosperity. Okay? So do not go that route. You already know that on this channel, whatever that doesn't represent God, whatever that is going to speak bad of the Christian faith, we are not going to indulge in it. Okay? So you do not have to follow that route to achieve success, because that isn't even success. Cleared? Okay. Which leads me to my next point, which is my favorite, and that is pray about everything. You guys, this is not the year that you are going to be living your life to chance. This is not the year where you're going to be saying, whatever happens, I will take life as it is. Dump that mantra. Dump it. That shouldn't come out from your mouth this year. Be intentional about your life. And one of the ways that you're going to stay intentional is by praying about everything. Pray for courage, pray for strength, pray for discipline, pray before you go out, pray before you come in. Pray about every single thing. It will look like you are joking. It will look like it doesn't make sense. But do not worry. You're praying to your Father, and if it makes sense to Him, that is okay. Okay? So that is one of the things that I am doing this year. That is going to help switch up things really, really fast for you. All right? So that brings me to the very end of this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. You have watched this video up to this point. Thank you for sticking till the end. Please ensure that you subscribe to my channel. The reason is because you got value. It's a win-win. I share value, you subscribe to me, I win, you win. And this year it is all about winning. Okay? And also do not forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you are already doing. Tell me what you're going to start doing, and let us learn and grow together. Okay? Thank you once again for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay blessed. Bye.